Hello and welcome to a week in outfits. Haven't done something like this in a while, so I thought I would do it today. And I'm just in the door, hence why my laces are open. I had taken my shoes off and then I was like, no, I'm going to do a week in outfits video this week. So threw them back on quickly. So I'm wearing my Converse today for some comfort because comfort is key for me. And I do apologise about the mess behind me. I'm going to tidy this today. This will not be here tomorrow. We shall see. But what I'm wearing today is this cute little Zara knitted set. You've probably seen this so much like over the last year on Pinterest, Instagram, everything. This had been on my wish list for quite a while, but I'd seen it on Depop a lot, and it was because it's such a like blogger favorite or something. It was really overpriced. Everyone was kind of pricing it like 40 quid, and I can't remember what it was originally, but I wasn't about to pay that. So I got this on an Instagram sale the other day for £12 for the set. Yes, my shopping is done for the rest of the year, but this was just in on time before that. And because it was something that was on my wish list for so long, I figured let's just go for it. It's really cute. I've worn it about 3 times since I got it already. I wore it at a festival yesterday in Crystal Palace Park, and it was pretty cozy. So I really like the kind of double-breasted look of the cardigan, but I also just love it open. I'm wearing my usual jeans, my kind of straight leg H&M jeans that I got secondhand as well. I've got a mask in my pocket, hence the bulk. I'll just check that out. Yeah, I really love this outfit, and I love the colour of this. I love it as much as I thought I would. So really happy with that. I'm also wearing this necklace from Majuri. It was one that they sent to me a little while ago, just for like a little Instagram feature. Is this in focus? Yeah, there we go. It's just a little kind of, is it a curb chain? Is that what it's called? Just really simple. I really like that. And I'm wearing my glasses from TIJN. Again, I don't know if there's like a shortened way to say that, or it's just like the TIJN letters. I'll link these below. I'll also link this below. But both of these were gifted to me. But yeah, love these glasses. They are my new favourite. I think the colour of them just goes so well with like the colours in my wardrobe. And yeah, I was almost going to wear my contact lenses today, but then I thought, you know what, these glasses actually look really good. So before this video is a million miles long because I chat too much about every outfit, I'll see you tomorrow. Hello, it is Tuesday, I think. Already like second day of the week and losing track. Today's outfit is a little bit more dressed up than I normally am, but I thought I should probably spice things up a bit, I guess, and not just have a loungy outfit every day. So I recently took these trousers out of my winter suitcase, and I forgot how comfy they are. They're just a really nice high-waisted stretchy pair of trousers from Zara, I think. Just before I moved to London, I was like, I have a job and I need fancy trousers for the office, and so I bought these, and I love the crop as well because they're a bit thicker and I tend to wear them in like the autumn and winter. I like to wear an ankle boot, and I think the crop just looks nice with an ankle boot, but also kind of looks cute with these shoes. And this jumper as well that I recently got from the Outnet. It's Iris and Ink. I'm pretty sure Iris and Ink is like the Outnet's own brand. So this, I feel like this might be the very first, the very like ever, what am I trying to say? The only ever and very first brand new cashmere purchase that I've ever made. And I talk a lot about sourcing cashmere secondhand, so I'm not gonna, I want to be transparent and say this is new. But I do my best to, I do my best to buy secondhand, and like 99% of my cashmere jumpers are secondhand. But yes, I sometimes now clearly buy new. It's not the most ethical industry, so I'm not trying to justify it, but I'm just putting that out there. Popped this bag on with it because I think it kind of just ties in like the brownie warm tones from the shoes. And again, this was a bag I'd put away in my wardrobe who even uses handbags in lockdown? Like, the only place I go is the post office or food shopping, and that's with a tote bag. But yeah, I had it in the bottom of my wardrobe and I just took it out again. And I feel like just a brown bag adds chicness to every outfit that I put it with. So really happy with this look. Definitely something I will wear going back to work. And I'm starting going back to work like 2 days a week soon, like into the office. So prepare to see work outfits. I think I'll keep these like weekly outfit videos going. So I will see you tomorrow for Wednesday's outfit. Bye. It is Wednesday. It's another working from home day, hence the very comfy and casual outfit, but I really like this actually, and I think possibly wouldn't wear it out of the house, but I could. It's just joggers aren't really my style, especially white. They're kind of see-through a little bit, but I'm wearing some organic basics, like a skin-coloured underwear, which you can kind of see. So hence why I wouldn't really wear them out of the house. I was listening to some music on my headphones, which is why they're still on my head. I've just got this crop top on got this in Nepal actually. It's made from viscose, I believe, or something similar. Really soft and drapey. It's a little bit big, so a lot of the time I will like tie a little knot in it, but because these only come up this far, then I wear it loose. I've got the same necklace on as well and the same glasses. Yeah, I think I've had it on for like 3 days, but that's the good thing about when you have that kind of good quality jewellery, is that it doesn't tarnish if you just like sleep in it. I don't have my rings on me today. And then I have my little flats from Elementary Looks that I've had for about 2 years now. They've actually stayed in quite, I don't know why I can't speak, quite good condition, except that the toes is a little bit worn, but that's bound to happen with the colour, and I feel like I could just get them touched up a little bit in a cobbler's. But yeah, very just comfy and casual, and it's quite warm again, it's sunny. I'm very stuffy, you can probably tell from my voice. But yeah, I really like this outfit. It's very different to yesterday's for a working from home outfit, but just as comfy. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye. Also, just to mention, these joggers, I never said where they're from. They are from End of More. I'll link them down below because they're 100% organic. They're like a raw cotton, undyed, unbleached or anything. And they're really, really nice slim fit if you're looking for joggers that actually fit nicely, that can kind of look appropriate. I think they only come in white, but you can, because they're completely raw, you can dye them basically to any colour you want, which is fun. I had an idea to kind of tie-dye them with like turmeric or something. Just haven't gotten around to that yet. But yeah, we'll see. Or maybe with avocado. That's a lovely pink shade. We'll see. But yeah, I will link these below because they were gifted to me. But they're a really nice brand, so I really want to help them out. So if you're interested, that's where they're from. Hey guys, welcome to Friday. It's a little bit late now that I'm filming, so it's a bit dark. Let me see if I can brighten this up a bit. That's a little bit better. So I don't know if you can see what I'm wearing. I'm wearing this knitted dress, and this you may or may not have seen. I feel like I had it in a video, but I'm not sure. But I haven't worn it yet. So it's just this ribbed knit dress. Excuse my mess behind me. Laundry day. It's this ribbed knit from, I think it's ASOS. I got it on Depop, and yeah, I really love it. I really love this like asymmetric neckline. I think it's quite a cool detail. So I just paired this with a little bit of gold jewellery. Same glasses all week. I work from home and work on the computer constantly, so I haven't been wearing my lenses much. These have a blue light filter, so much better for me. I just felt like this was really cozy. The weather's not amazing, but it's also still warm. So because this is a dress with a slit, it's still, I won't overheat, but it's kind of cozy and comfy as well. And as I'm not going anywhere today, no, I'm not really wearing these shoes, but I thought I'd throw them on just to show you how I could style it at this time of year. so that it doesn't look super wintry. But if I was going out, likely I would wear some boots, ankle boots, or maybe my black, slightly like longer leg boots. But yeah, I know it's Friday and I should be like, ooh, this is my going out outfit. But this is my cozy night in on a Friday night outfit. It's been a long week, so I'm just gonna have a cozy night in. But yeah, I really love this dress. I can't wait to wear it a bit more in the autumn. No, I'm not wearing a bra with it. Maybe I should. It doesn't look quite as nipply in the mirror or in like normal lighting, but on camera it definitely does. But I'm okay with that. Yeah, I feel like all the lumps and it's all good. That's what a baggy dress is for, to be comfy. So yeah, I will see. I think I'll continue this for the weekend because you'll get to see what I wear when I actually leave the house. I've got a few appointments not in my room tomorrow, so that should be fun. So I'll see you then. Bye. Guys, welcome to Saturday. Finally the weekend. Get to dress up a little bit differently because I actually left the house today. It's only lunchtime, but we're already back. We're up early, had a few errands to run. I got my second vaccine. Arm is a little bit dead already. So that's why I wore this shirt. I wanted to just wear a shirt, but then I thought if somebody needs access to my arm, I would just kind of wear it over a top instead. So I'm wearing this, you know, this tank top that I always wear. This like brown one that I got secondhand. My room's even messier now, but I'm doing a big declutter today, so it's gonna get messier before it gets tidier. So I'm wearing this. I have a new different necklace on today. I have the same gold one from Majuri, but I'm also wearing this little silver elephant. Let me see if I can zoom in on it. This is a there we go. Newbridge silver that my mum got me for my graduation. My mum and dad. But I'm sure my mum picked it up. And so I just kind of layered up on like gold and silver today. I like this one because it's adjustable, so you can make it really long. So I kind of like the layers. What else? Yeah, I was running late, so I didn't put on any makeup or anything today. And yeah, the silk shirt is from Equipment, but I also got this secondhand on Depop, so I'm just wearing this over as kind of a shirt. It's so hot out today, I don't need it, and I'm not currently wearing it when I'm around the house, but I put it back on because it's part of the outfit. Jeans are from People Tree. They are my kind of dark wash straight leg. I don't wear them as often as my other ones because they're, if you can tell, they're a little bit like, they're more mid-rise than high-rise. So I don't always feel like they're as flattering. Just depends on the top you wear. This one is fine, but if there's any like shorter top, I kind of prefer maybe more like a couple more inches of a rise. Anyway, wearing my little pumps as well because they're just comfy. And this was my outfit for today, but I was still too hot. It's hot out there, guys. I have a little bit of work to do, but I also want to chill. But I kind of want to do my work before it gets too late because I'm hoping I don't have any side effects from my vaccine. So yeah, let's get to work. Let's get a coffee and let's catch up tomorrow with one more outfit. Hey, and welcome to Sunday. Finally the end of the week. And yeah, it took me a while to decide on an outfit today. So I've just been sitting around the house this morning. My arm or my shoulder is really sore from my vaccine, so this is actually quite a struggle to get dressed today. So let's just explain what I'm wearing. So I'm wearing this top I recently got. It's just like this little kind of square neck, really like open neck t-shirt with these tiny little straps. And I bought this secondhand from a fellow blogger or content creator on Instagram. And yeah, really love it. I just love this neckline. I think it's just so nice. Like, it's showing nothing, but it's just so, I always liked my collarbone. I don't know why. But this, because it's white, it's and ribbed, it's very see-through. So, and because it's such a wide open neck, like you can't really wear a bra underneath. So I struggled for ages with this kind of like beige camisole. You know, those kind of like slip type tops that I, if you can hear my stomach, I haven't eaten yet. A slip type top that does have straps. It's like a cami strap, but I've basically like folded it in half, and the straps are like somewhere down here. And yeah, it's holding up so far. So far so good. But it would be good to get maybe a nice like strapless bra or something to wear with this, so that it's, or I was thinking about maybe just adding some fabric like this to just kind of sew it in the inside to the front half of the top, so then I can just, you know, not have to worry about a second layer or anything. Long story short, I love it. I have it in black as well, and that's obviously a lot easier to wear because it's not see-through. This is the cardigan. It's also from Amy as well, actually. This is the cardigan from Monday that I wore with the matching crop top. I just like the colour of it with this all white base. I wish I had like a brown belt or something to kind of break up this all white look, but I only have a black and a leopard print. Not really feeling either of those today, so I'm just going to leave it. And then I put on my like orangey beigey pumps from Elementary Looks. They're just comfy. I might switch to Converse because I am planning on meeting Andrew. He's working today, even though it's Sunday, doing some overtime. So I'm going to meet him in Kensington. Apparently there's something cool happening. So I might just wear these around the house, kind of like slip on, slip off if I need to pop outside for anything. But when I go out walking, I might just switch to Converse because they'd be just more comfortable for like long bouts of walking. Although these are really comfy, they get sometimes a little bit sweaty because they are a leather shoe and it's hot out. But yeah, this is my look. When I go out, I'll probably bring this handbag again that you saw me with during the week, I think you did. Yeah, it just adds that little bit more warmth, ties in all the like beiges and browns and those kind of warm neutral tones. And yeah, and I feel like it kind of adds that contrast that I was looking for in the belt that I don't have. I'm gonna go eat my breakfast. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will have another one of these up really soon for you. Bye! Don't forget to check out my most recent video over here. See ya!